WhatsApp keeps adding new features almost every month. And honestly, most people never discover half of them because many updates arrive quietly without big announcements or flashy redesigns. So, in this video, we'll look at 3 WhatsApp features in June you probably didn't know about, and that could make using the app much easier. First, better linked device management. Because more people than ever use WhatsApp on multiple devices, including laptops, tablets, desktop computers, and secondary phones. WhatsApp has continued improving the linked devices section, making it easier to see exactly where your account is active. You can quickly check connected devices, recent activity, and active sessions. This is especially useful for security because many users forget to log out of old devices, and honestly, reviewing your linked devices regularly is one of the easiest ways to improve your account security. Now, let's talk about the second feature, improve search tools, because finding old messages can be frustrating, especially if you've been using WhatsApp for years. WhatsApp has continued improving search capabilities, making it easier to locate messages, photos, videos, links, and documents. Instead of scrolling through thousands of messages, you can often find what you're looking for in seconds. This may sound like a small update, but for heavy WhatsApp users, it can save a surprising amount of time. Now let's look at feature number 3, enhance group notifications, because group chats can become overwhelming very quickly, especially when dozens or even hundreds of people are participating. WhatsApp has refined the way notifications and mentions work, helping users identify messages that are actually important to them. This makes it easier to keep up with conversations without constantly checking every new message, especially in work groups, school groups, family chats, and community groups. Now, another thing worth mentioning, many WhatsApp updates happen behind the scenes, improving performance, battery efficiency, reliability, and security even. When you don't immediately notice new features, the app is constantly evolving to become faster and more stable. Now, let's be honest for a second. The most useful WhatsApp features are often not the most exciting ones. Instead, they're the features that save time, improve privacy, and make communication easier every day. And that's exactly what many of these recent updates are trying to do. So to wrap this up, 3 WhatsApp features you may have missed in June 2026 are better linked device management, improved search tools, and enhanced group notifications, because honestly, small improvements like these can make a huge difference in how you use WhatsApp every single day.